So next, I'll demonstrate cross-site scripting or XSS. So this type of vulnerability allows attackers to inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by other users. So in the Altoro Mutual, let's find the search bar. And at the top of the Altoro Mutual site, let's type a hello and submit. So let's start. Here, let's type hello. Then let's submit. So let's go to the burp suite here. So instead of hello, let's change it into here. Wait. Yan. Then let's forward the request. Then let's go to the browser. So now makikita na natin na URL na lang siya. So this alert indicates that the input was executed as code instead of being treated as plain text. So if a web application reflects users' input without sanitization or encoding, attackers can use XSS to steal cookies, perform actions on behalf of users, or inject harmful content. So implementing proper output, encoding, and content security policy or the CSP are essential steps in preventing XSS or the cross-site scripting.